It's the HAMITOR toilet brush set. This is the A design right here. This is a really great design for the toilet brush. I like the fact that this is very sturdy, but yet it's also a little bit smaller than some of the other toilet brushes out there. This one just does a really nice job of getting underneath the ring right here. You can see that's what it has that design for right here. And you could just get really good in here. It has some real, it's very sturdy. And then this part here, it just holds in here really nicely. Just very pleased with this brand here. I'm a repeat buyer of this brand. We do property management, so we buy a lot of different cleaning supplies and things like that. So this brand has been holding up really nicely. And again, I really like the design on here. Our cleaning professionals really like these. They recommend these to anybody they're talking to whenever they're looking at cleaning supplies. They like this brand here. It just does a really nice job. The bristles on here are really nice. Highly recommend picking this up. It's it does fold up. It unscrews right here, and you could put it in. You could put both parts in there if you wanted to. And then this also turns around. So if you wanted to conceal the edge right there, it also you could store it that way. So it just has a nice look to it. This usually goes in the bathrooms right by the plunger, and it's just a really great toilet brush. Highly recommend it.